In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a RAR file in Google Drive. This process is incredibly useful for those times when you need access to compressed files and don't have a standalone decompression tool handy on your device. So, let's jump right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It can be any browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got that open, type Google Drive into your search bar and hit Enter. In the results, you'll want to click on the first link that appears or specifically look for a URL that begins with drive.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Drive. Now that you're on the Google Drive page, if you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll just need to log in. For most, Google Drive will detect your account automatically and log you in instantly, so you may not even have to do anything here. With Google Drive up and running, we need to get an app that can handle RAR files. Head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. You can get there through a quick Google search. Once you're in the marketplace, search for apps like Zip Extractor or UnRAR and RAR Viewer. These apps are specifically designed to help you open and extract files from RAR archives. When you've found an app that suits your needs, the next step is to hit the Install button. The installation will prompt you to grant permission for the app to access your Google Drive. Simply authorize this to continue. This allows the app to open and manage the files stored in your drive. Now, back in your Google Drive, locate the RAR file you want to open. It should be in your list of files, and once found, you can right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and you should hover over the Open With option. Here you will see the extraction app you just installed, such as Zip Extractor. Select the app from the list, and you might be prompted again to authorize the app's access to your account. It's just like before, so go ahead and permit the access. Once the app launches, it'll display the contents of your RAR file. You'll then have the option to select specific files within the archive that you want to extract. When you've made your selection, click on Extract or Extract Here, depending on the options available in the app. And that's it. The files you chose to extract will be saved neatly in a new folder within your Google Drive, ready for you to view and use as needed. Now you can easily access and manage any RAR files you have without leaving the comfort of Google Drive. I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Thank you for watching, and happy file extracting.